एंड जिस दिन आप समझने लग गए कि ये तो कितना आसान है, तो मैं ऐसे ही कर लूँगी, आई मीन दैट इज़ द डे आई थिंक यू शुड टेक अ ब्रेक.
Yes.
You should never take your work lightly.
Welcome to IMA YouTube channel of 4th edition of IMA Women Leadership Conclave, celebrating women who are making leadership brighter, bolder and stronger together. Today we have a very special guest on our show today. She is a very, very well-known writer. Her dialogues are amazing. She's none other than Ishita Moitra with us. Hi ma'am.
Hi,
So happy to have you on our show today.
happy to be here.
Ma'am, as you were an army kid, how was your journey? Please tell us about your journey. So many years of writing.
And journey actually was over many cities, and I've
Right.
been to 10 different schools. So I think my army life the life that I led as a child as an army kid has given me a lifelong love for travel and languages, I would say, and
Mm.
collecting stories from all over the country. It was amazing. It was really a lot of fun.
Yeah, you are so much witty in your writing. You write so much fresh and progressive feelings, which center a lot of women. You talk and write about a lot of women, I can see. What do you have to say about that?
I don't think I ever sort of wanted to do this consciously. I think it is who I am. So
Mm.
that kind of comes into my writing.
Mm-hmm.
About wit, I think because I'm predominantly a dialogue writer, तो ये dialogue writing के काम में ही ऐसे होता है कि आपको बात brevity के साथ बतानी होती है. Like जो चीज़ आप 4 lines में बोल सकते हैं, उसको आप 1 sentence में कैसे बोल सकते हैं. It is about arriving at saying the same thing faster and quicker.
Ma'am, I just want to ask that your dialogues are witty, bold, and relatable also. So, how much of that sass is real you?
I would hope that a lot of it is me and a lot of it is like inspired by a lot of sassy people around me that inspire me, because I mean, there is all artists are inspired by other artists.
Absolutely. Ma'am, about Four More Shots, it's amazing series on the OTT, and we were just talking about that. So, just want to know about that more.
So I've been associated with all the seasons of Four More Shots. I've written dialogues on all 3 seasons and the 4th one, jo aane wala hai. And what can I say? It's been so many years. It's been like, I think 8 or 9 years. And such a long journey with the same team. And I think we've all evolved. The characters have evolved. So have us. So have we. Devika, who's the story screenplay writer, and I, and the creators, Rongita and Nishita Nandi. And बहुत मजा आता है वो करने में, because every time we are able to talk about current issues with the same characters and show growth and depth and also a lot of fun.
Yes. What about these 4 women in Four More Shots, like the Umang, Damini, and Siddhi, and Damini, Anjana, Siddhi, and Umang, right? So, all these 4 women, which is the most relatable character which you can relate to?
I can relate to a little bit of Siddhi and a little bit of Damini both. And
all different female leads, right? They were so different. All the characters.
जैसे मैं बता रही थी, मुझे अभी I feel like there is something about every one of those girls that resonates with me. Like,
is it?
Yeah, like the way Anjana is as a mother, the way Damini is as her ambition, and how Siddhi's humor, Umang's rebellion. Like, I feel like there's something in every one of them that kind of resonates.
Out of so many dialogues, which is your one of the favorite from Four More Shots?
From Four More Shots,
Yes.
I think that the thing about Four More Shots is that it's a lot of like banter between the girls. So I really enjoy writing that. But I enjoy writing Siddhi's stand-up also, ever since she's become a stand-up.
Yes, stand-up comedian. A lot of wit and humor goes in it, right?
हाँ, उसमें मजा आता है.
मजा आया होगा. And which is your biggest challenging, जो बहुत ज़्यादा challenging role रहा है आपके लिए लिखने के लिए. So which one is that amongst all 4 of them? All different,
Yeah, like all actually challenging in the beginning. I can't say anything is easy. It is dire, like it becomes easier through multiple drafts. So in the beginning, you always feel like, oh my God, will I be able to pull this off? You always feel that at the beginning of every project. And जिस दिन आप समझने लग गए कि ये तो कितना आसान नहीं, तो मैं ऐसे ही कर लूँगी. I mean, that is a day I think you should take a break.
Yes.
because you should never take your work lightly, I feel.
That's very important. And also, you should not take yourself also seriously.
Yes, that's correct. You should never take your work lightly and you should never take yourself so seriously.
Yes. Ma'am, you've done Rocky and Rani. It's such a blockbuster movie. So, what do you have to say about that movie? Which one is more relatable, Rocky or Rani?
Both actually, to me, like I said.
So different characters, ma'am.
हाँ, but वो दोनों ही मेरे में है. Because I feel like my heart is Rocky and my brain is Rani. And I speak both the languages and everything, and I relate with both a little bit. I love both those characters, to be honest.
Yeah, because Alia Bhatt was very different to Ranveer's character.
Yeah.
And the way, the dialect and everything was so different.
Yeah, her thought process
The
was
thought
only
process
different.
was very
Yeah.
different, yes.
But if it was just one of them, then the film would have been what it is. I love the fact that they're so the foil for each other. I love both the characters equally.
Sunny Sanskari ki Tulsi Kumari is your new project. I would like to ask about that. Which one is you? Sunny Sanskari or Tulsi Kumari?
Sunny Sanskari.
Huh? A secret mix of both.
A secret mix of both, but more Sunny Sanskari.
Okay. So, what do you have to say about that project? Like, this is something a new one, right?
Yes, it's coming out on the 2nd of October. It's completely.
Please
Shashank
go
Khaitan's-
watch that, guys.
So Shashank Khaitan is the director, and he has written most of the film. I've co-written dialogue with him, so it's entirely his baby, and he's directed Humpty Sharma Ki Dulhaniya and Badrinath Ki Dulhaniya. And so it promises to be really a lot of fun, and it has really good songs and lots of like really heart-touching and fun moments. So please go and watch it on the 2nd of October. उसके बाद भी देखते रहना.
Yes. And ma'am, one of the most talked about project is also Call Me Bay. So what do you have to say about that project? How was writing?
I
the
loved it,
character?
honestly. It went like it was a passion project because again it was it's a feel good story, the kind of stories that I really enjoy watching and reading and writing. And उसका भी season 2 हम लाने वाले हैं. तो
Who is your life in your life? Who is your ride or die bay kind of a thing?
my husband 100%.
Huh?
100%.
You can call like 3 a.m.
My husband.
Just husband.
I mean, obviously मैं कहीं फंस जाऊंगी तो अपने पति को फोन कर लूंगी. That's और मुझे नंबर भी वही याद है. Like, you know that thing that earlier हमको हर किसी का हर नंबर याद होता था. Now I remember his number, he remembers my number.
Yes. And what about the band code, ma'am?
Band code, I have some
How did it all? How could you just think, like out of the box kind of things?
So it is basically my
Different
answer
to
to the
life.
bro code. So it is
Okay.
like a subversive take on that word. And I just felt like because there's always like, boys have this thing, always they prop up other men, and women are always seen as fighting against each other as rivalry, whatever. But that's not true.
That's
Because women always support each
actually-
other. There are many women who support you, and that's how you reach where you reach. So that's why the Behan code.
So if you have to give a TED talk called Behan Code 101, what would be like? What would be the first slide about?
The first slide would be about supporting the women in your own home, as when you're a child or when you're like, or when you have a child. Believe the girls when they're saying something. Support the girls at home. That is like the first lesson of sisterhood. And I think going forward, it is about fixing each other's crown. It is like one day you will be better, the other day your friend will be better. But एक दिन तुम मेरा crown fix करो, एक दिन मैं तुम्हारा crown fix करूँ.
Absolutely. It's a
So,
sisterhood,
it is a
actually.
sisterhood.
Yes. So I want one dialogue from you, which is like, which can resonate all these years. You've written so many films and such talked about films you have written. So any one dialogue which you can really, it's close to your heart.
Off the top of my head, I can just say, जिंदगी लंबी नहीं बड़ी होनी चाहिए.
Very nice. And the last, Zindagi planning se nahi surprises se chalti hai. That is also amazing one.
Thank you.
So, any myth about script writers?
There's no such myth about scriptwriters because people don't really talk about scriptwriters as much as they talk about actors and singers and directors and other technicians. So I wish there was some myths about screenwriters. But yeah, maybe people think that we are very like khadoos and serious and we carry jholas and stuff. That's not true at all.
One of my friends, Swati Jain from Arihant Capital, she has a question for you.
Yes.
What's the biggest myth you have heard about women and money?
Oh, that's a big one. It's like you're supposed to be spenders.
Yes.
Men actually earn and women spend. That is a big myth. That is not the case. You don't know how to invest your money.
Right.
Like when you go to buy a property or you go anywhere, people look at the man to talk. Like
Financial
financially
are taken by the men.
actually might not be. It might not be the case, but
Yes.
they assume that the man will be better
By default.
yeah, by default at such decisions. And so yeah, it's like I think it's Shakuntala Devi, the film was actually about a mathematician and how women are supposed to be bad with numbers and how just one of the greatest mathematicians to come out of India was a woman. But
Absolutely correct. You have been exposed to so many cities coming, from your background, like you're an army kid, right? So, there's a unique pan-India flavor in your writing, which I can feel. So, what do you have to say about that?
I think I'm very blessed that I got to travel the entire country. And small cities, not just the big cities and not just the metros. I got to experience like really the life as it's really lived in these different states.
Okay.
And I think it kind of was my training ground as a writer. And it's really helped me in my career. I didn't know that it would at that time, but it really has.
Mm-hmm. Which of the characters you've written in the movies you've done, for one day, if you have to live that character, which one it would be and why?
It would be Bay for sure. I would love to live that life. But when she was rich, that one. The rich. Mumbai वाला तो मैं जी चुकी.
पैसा तो चाहिए भाई.
वो
कहाँ पे is it our luxury is love life.
एक दिन
Thank you so much for a fun session with you. And really, I mean, we really love your work. It's all blockbuster hits, whatever you've done so far. And thank you for gracing our show. Thank you so much.
Thank you. It was
was
so
a pleasure.
lovely. So lovely. Thank you so much.